Hey yo, XO family. Today I have a rating subscribers outfit video. If you guys don't know how this goes, basically no one's getting a 10 and no one's getting a 1. I have 10 pictures on my laptop that I'm going to be cycling through. I want to thank all of the submissions I got on Instagram. If you guys haven't already, follow my Instagram right here, JaylenXO. Send me a picture of your back to school outfits and I will be rating them in part 2 and 3. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now for the first fit, we got my boy Kai. I will not be picking favorites and I will not be giving unfair rates. My boy has on Ed Hardy jeans. I'm not sure what shoes those are, and some type of green jacket with a white tee and some clout goggles. I think the fit is a 7.5 out of 10. Proportions are good. The colors are good. If it were me, I would add a little bit more accessories, maybe like a bag or something, and I would change the laces from red to maybe a white or like a cream or green color. That's just my opinion, but I think I'm gonna go with a 7.5 out of 10. A solid fit, everyday fit. I think it's perfect. Nice picture though. I really like the picture, but as far as the fit goes, 7.5 out of 10. On to the next. Okay, so for the next fit, we have a Zyla. I don't know if that's a crop tee. It appears to be like a cropped graphic race car tee. I don't know if it's cropped or tucked. I can't really see it that well. She has some jorts with some white threading and some blazers on. I'll rate the fit another cool 6.5, 6 maybe. Oh, she has a little bag too. I can't really see what type of bag that is. The picture is an amazing picture. I love the picture. I actually gave her that spot. But it's a cool little fit. It's an everyday little fit. You know what I'm saying? Like, she looks comfortable. She looks happy and confident. And I would just change the laces maybe loose lace them a little bit. But the proportions are okay. I think she could have just cropped the shirt a little bit better or just had the shirt baggy. But that's just my opinion. Overall, 6 out of 10. Our next subscriber, we got Swerve. He has the Velo and Palm Angels hoodie. A white tee. I'm assuming it's a polo tee. I can't tell what type of jeans those are from the picture, and some Jordan 4s. I rated I'm gonna give this one a 6.5 out of 10. The colors are good. I'm not a big fan of V-Lone, you know. I just feel like it's a little played out. It may be an old fit. I'm not judging, but you know, I'm gonna give it a little 6.5 out of 10. It's just a little regular to me, you know, not anything extraordinary, but I know that piece did run his pockets, and those are nice. So the 4 is always redeemed the fit, so I would give it a 6.5 out of 10. Alrighty, for our next fit, this is actually a really nice, well put together outfit. My boy has the blue flannel, the crossbody bag, a necklace, some earrings. I think he has a double piercing. A hat. I forgot what those pants are called. I forgot what they're called when they're cut at the ankle. I forgot the name. And they appear to be like some regular forces. He has a Walmart tee on. That's totally fine. I think he put the fit together very well. It probably was not a very expensive fit, but it looks really good. The colors are all coordinated well. The proportions are good. And he has a charger in the background. I'll rate the fit probably an 8.5 out of 10. This is definitely something I could see myself stepping out in as another cool fit. Nothing too crazy, but this will have some people turning heads. I do like this fit a lot, and I could see myself in it. I give this an 8.5 out of 10. Alrighty, now for my boy Zay. My boy Zay has the orange, gray, and purple going on. I kinda, you know what? Credit to him, because I know that's a really hard jacket to style. So I think he did it pretty well. I don't know how I did this fit. So in my opinion, I would say it's a 9 out of 10. In terms of the style, like styling that one jacket, 9 out of 10. In terms of the actual fit, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Only because the proportions aren't that good, and it's just like it needs some accessory. It needs a chain, some earrings, or some like rings or something, you know. Everything else is pretty much fine. I just feel like the pants are a little boring. I think the pants, and if he had like a hat or something, that would have killed it. Overall, good fit. Like I said, it's a calm fit. Hey, I'm giving the man his credit because that is a really hard jacket to style. I don't know, like he has the peanut butter and jelly theme. But yeah, at the end of the day, I would give it a little 8.5 out of 10. One thing I will say is I would have changed the laces on the shoes, got a different pair of pants, and added some more accessories. Alrighty, so my boy in the gas station, it appears he has some stacked jeans on with the zipper at the bottom. I'm messing with that. Some forces, and I don't know what kind of hoodie that is, but it appears to be cropped at the bottom. I'm gonna give it a little 6.5 out of 10. I only say that because it's pretty basic. It's a nice fit, don't get me wrong. Nice little chill fit, go out with your friends fit, but like in terms of styling, it's pretty basic. Forces, stacked jeans, cropped hoodie. He did a pretty good job matching the colors. I just feel like it needs a little bit more accessories and a better, I guess the photo didn't do it any justice either, because I can't really see exactly what he's wearing. I can only see like, but so much. But he definitely needs more accessories, and the pieces are fine, but definitely needs more accessories. For my next subscriber, we got my guy in all purple. See, I'm gonna give this one a little 7.5. I really like the color purple, and the way he put this together, everything matches. The chain matches the logo on the shirt. The logo on the shirt matches the white in the shoes. The brown complements his skin. He has purple bracelets on to match the shirt and the shoes. I think he went. This is a pretty good fit. Now, obviously, the first day of school fit, you know, he did his thing. He got the little shells around his neck. I think it's a cool fit. Nothing really you could have added to this, because I know it really is hot outside, and it's not really much you could do in the summertime. But yeah, 7.5 out of 10 for sure. I like this fit a lot. Alrighty, now for the next fit, I'm gonna have to give this one an 8.5 for sure. It's just a very, very clean fit, and something that's doing a lot, saying a lot, but it's not doing too much at the same time. He has a Hunter x Hunter graphic tee on, a gray flannel with blue and white black designs, some army shorts, regular white socks, and some Jordan 4s again, I think. I don't know, man. I'm a huge fan of this fit. It's like real calm, looks real comfortable. All of the colors just go very well together. Obviously, the red in the shoes match the red in the shirt, gray in the shoes match the gray in the shirt, black just goes very well together. Definitely an 8.5 out of 10. Like this fit a lot. Alright, now my boy in the Bape hoodie. I know those 4s go for a lot of money. Those are very expensive. You did go crazy with the colors, matching the cream in the shoes to the cream in the pants and the cream in the hoodie. I like the way you did that. I don't know what your tee is on under, but so far I'm gonna give you an 8, man. You got the Bape. You needed some accessories, bro. You definitely need some accessories, but I do like that fit. It's a very, very calm fit. You did what you needed to do. You could go to a party in this outfit, or you can go chill in this outfit. So I really like this fit, man. You did that thing. I'm gonna give you an 8 though, for sure. And he's a dreadhead. Just come on now. Now for my last submission, we got my boys in the Rick hoodies. These are fire, man. A very, very, very simple all black fit for the both of you. I can't really tell what the other dude has on, but my guy on the left, he has the Rick Owens Mountain hoodie, a bullet belt, some wax denim, or maybe those are leather denim, and some Doc Martens. That's a pretty cool fit, man, because I know that Rick hoodie ran you a pretty penny. I'm gonna give my boy on the left a I'm gonna give you an 8, and my boy on the right, I don't know what I'm gonna give you. I think that's a Vamp Security Playboy Cardi tee. So I think I don't know. I can't really tell what he has on. I think it's just for the guy on the left, but for the guy on the right, I'm gonna give you a cool little 7. From what I can see, what you got on, I'm assuming you have a Rick hoodie on too, with the black cargos and some white forces. So I think, yeah, my guy on the left gets a 7.5. My boy on the right gets a 6. Thank you guys for watching, man. Make sure you go tune in to next week's episode, part 2, rating my subscribers fits part 2. I will be taking in more submissions on Instagram, so send me your fits on Instagram if you want me to rate them.